how to increase or decrease the text size for live captions on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe across and locate settings. Next, tap on settings. In the settings screen, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then we go down and tap on live captions. Next, tap on appearance. Then tap on text size. In here, I'm going to open up live captions so I can see a preview. Now on the slider bar, you can drag it to the left to decrease the text size, or you can drag it to the right to increase the text size. And that is how you can change the text size for live captions on the iPhone 14 series. If you want to go back to the default, you can tap on reset font size to default, and this will allow you to go back to the default text size. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.